Hi friend, in this tutorial we are going to discuss how to use session. Okay, session is used to track user information throughout the multiple page, and when we want to pass information from one page to the multiple pages. Okay, then in that case you need to store that information if you want to store some information in session variable, and if something is stored in the session variable, then we can use in any pages. Okay, by calling session dollar underscore session variable. Okay, in that case, in this case, and session value is lost when you close the browser or session underscore destroy function is called. Here we are going to demonstrate one example where you can get all the idea about sessions. Okay, for that, first of all, we have created one file, that session1.php. In this file uh, we are calling session underscore start function. Okay, whenever you write a session program, then okay, whenever you write a session program, then first line of the program must be session underscore start. Okay, and we are creating here session variable dollar underscore session. Okay, this is session variable, and we have stored value here, as user. Okay, anything you can specify, and we have assigned value accomplish to. Okay, and echo dollar session as user. Okay, we have created one file, that is session1.php. In that file uh, we have called session underscore start function, and we have assigned complex u2 as a value in session as user variable, session variable, and we are just echoing that variable. Okay, and we are here creating one hyperlink, one anchor tag, using one anchor tag to connect with another file. Okay, href equal to season 2. Okay, this is going to be a second file, season.2.php, and this one is click 2. Okay, let's see. Okay, save this file. In the same way, we need to create another file. Just copy this file and file new. Okay, file save as session 2.php. Okay, once we have already assigned variable complexive2 for the session variable as user, then there is no need to again assign that complexive2 to session variable. Okay, but because we are echoing a session variable as user, so we need to call session underscore start function. Okay, whenever you in a file, whenever you are going to use session variable, okay, session variable in your program, then that in that file you need to call session underscore start. Okay, and this it is echoing the session variables, and after echoing session variable, it is it is calling another file, that is session underscore 3, session3.php, and it is going to be 3, click 3. Okay, and in the same way, same code we need to paste here, paste it. file save as session 3. Okay, sorry, session 3 dot php. Okay, click 3 and click 3 session as user echoing session as user, and this one is going to be 4 and 4. Save it and again copy it, and this one is going to be the last file. Okay, file save as session4.php. Okay, here there is no need to call this again echoing session variable. We have already done very much time. Okay, here you need to call another function, that is session underscore destroy. Okay, this function going to destroy session variable. When you call session 4 file 4.php, then this file going to delete session variables, and in you there's a more one time session variable get destroyed. That is why when you close the browser, two times session variable destroyed. One is when you close the browser, and second one when you call session underscore destroy function. Okay, now it is time to check that how our program is behaving. Okay, it is as expected line or not. Okay, for this for this okay, for this we need to write here session 1.php. Okay, okay, it is fine. It is showing accomplish YouTube, and one another link is click to. Okay, when we click on the click to page, it is okay, fine. It is again showing accomplish YouTube. When we click on another file, click 3, again it is showing accomplish YouTube. Means we are passing value from one page to another page, but we have stored session accomplish YouTube the value in session variable in very first file. Okay, session1.php. And this is the thing, that whenever you store something in the session variable, this is the thing, when you store something in the session variable, then that variable, you can use that variable in any file. Okay, you can call this variable in any file, and you can access that value. Okay, echo here second file, this one is third file. Okay, and this one is the first point, that when you this is the first thing you need to take a look, that when you store something in the session variable, you can pass in multiple page. Okay, next thing you need to uh, take a look, that session variable get destroyed when you close the browser. Okay, when you close the browser, session value get destroyed. Okay, it is time to check that it is working as expected line or not. For that, I am just clicking on second session 2. Okay, I'm just copy this URL. Okay, and I'm going to close Chrome. Okay, just wait. I'm going to close it. I've just copy URL session2.php, and now it is time to close. Okay, okay, fine. We have closed browser, Chrome browser. Now, when we click on Chrome browser, okay, when we start, when we click uh, Chrome browser, start Chrome browser, and again try to paste. Again when we try to paste, okay, again when we try to paste that URL in address bar, it is going to show us some error. Okay, okay, it is not error, it is notice. It is this undefined index as user. As user is not getting value from as user, but because we have just trying to access the session2.php file directly. Okay, actually session as user value, session variable as user is getting value from the file as user. Session 2 as user is getting value from the file session1.php. When we close the browser, then session value is get destroyed, and so that for that reason, when we try to access session as user equals session as user, we are not getting value. We are not getting value. We are not getting value. Okay. For that reason, we can conclude that session value get destroyed when we close browser. And third time, session value get destroyed when you call session underscore destroy function. Okay, this is the three file. One. Okay, one session value is assigned a variable as user come list to YouTube value is assigned in a session variable. When we click on click 2, okay, it is okay, fine. Click 3, it is okay, fine. When we click copy this thing and again pasting, opening another tab and pasting in this URL, we are again getting Compass YouTube. There is no issue. But when we click on click 4, okay, when we click on click 4 again, then in that case session4.php. In this file we have written session underscore destroy function. Okay, now if we try to access session 3.php, then again we are going to get that notice. Okay, so we can conclude that session value get destroyed when browser is closed. Second, when session underscore destroy function is closed, and whatever value if you store in the session variable, we can access that value in any page. Okay, thank you for your time. In next tutorial we are going to discuss cookies. Okay, thank you.